How to remove limitation from PayPal account. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To remove the limitation from your PayPal account, it is pretty simple. First and foremost, if you have a PayPal application, make sure to launch in your device. If not, you can head over to a preferred browser and search for paypal.com. So right over here, head over to your PayPal account, log in using your credential. Once logged in, select on the option of My Account that would be at the top of the page. Navigate to the Overview page and navigate to View Limit option, which would be next to your PayPal balance. Check for the option of Lift Limit and tap on it. Choose the option you prefer to lift your sending limit and follow the on-screen instruction. Once the limit has been lifted, you can actually send up to 60,000 USD. However, it would be capped at 10,000 USD, which means $10,000 in each transaction. Hopefully you found this informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for tuning in.